Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on this 2018 BMW X6. In the previous episode I spent basically all episode to preparing this front bumper, and then I install all of those parts. And if you haven't saw that video, link is over here. For today's episode, my plan is to prepare the hood completely. As I showed you guys in the previous episode, there's a lot of dings and dents that needs to be fixed, damage. This damage over here, this damage over here, this damage over here, this corner, and same thing on the other side. So that needs to be addressed before I can prime it, because I don't want to prime the bumper, then work on the hood, and separately prime the hood. So that is my plan. Let's jump straight on it and finish this freaking bodywork. First, I'm gonna start working on this damage over here. I need to pull this out, straight this crease over here, so the hood can completely lay down on those pins that's over here, so I can make a perfect lines on the fenders. And then I'm gonna jump in on this side, fix this side first, and then I'll go to that side. But now let's begin fixing this damage over here. I'm done fixing this side of the hood. Now you can see everything lines up. Everything looks good. This was I was able to pull this out, actually beat it out, or however you want to call it. And also, for some reason, this edge was rolled in, so I had to raise it up, this edge slightly. As you can see over here, looks good also. All those lines follows, everything looks good. There's in the middle bigger gap, but again, there's no support that I put in on that side, so that's why there's a bigger gap. If we do it like so, it's gonna be better. So everything came out really nice over here. Same thing over here. I kind of want to install the grills to see if contour of this hood lines up with the grills. I'll leave it like this for now, because I want to fix this side first. Let's jump in on this side, fix this corner over here and this, and probably adjust the hinges over here so everything lines up pretty good. This fender needs to be pulled up slightly, but it's not biggie. Let's just jump in on this side and fix it. And I'm done with this side also. Everything looks good, matches, but only sad thing is I wasn't able to save this up. You can see it's cracked, so I'm gonna have to take this hood off, go to my bodies so he can weld it, because I don't have a aluminum welding. He have aluminum welder, spool gun with all the setup, so he can help me weld this thing, and then I'll grind it off and everything gonna look awesome. So that's it, I'm done with everything. Now before I'm gonna take the hood off and go to him, I want to install these grills to see how it looks over here, if it's even or not, and if I'll have to work a little bit more over this area. That's it, everything looks good. This line is perfect over here. Same thing as over here, but what I don't like, it's kinda too small over here. I guess it's adjustable, but I don't know, it seems like this corner was pushed in. That's why maybe this over here is too small. But other than that, looks perfect. Now let's take off this hood. Let's go to my bodies. Let's weld those two corners, grind them, come back and finish the body work. Okay. Like I'm going with them. Boya, boya, you stay home, boya. Come, come. Here, come. Okay, I guess they want to go with me. Alright guys, I'm finally back at home from my buddy's shop. Sorry I could not record there, he don't like that in his shop. So it's his play, his rules, I have to follow. Let me show you what we end up with and what I need to do in order to complete this hood. You have a spool gun, so we were able to get the welds on like so. Same thing from underneath it. I'm gonna have to grind this off to perfect so it matches with the fenders and it looks as OEM. Same thing over here. I kinda did at his shop with the grinding. You can see how it looks. Looks awesome already, but I don't wanna send it down further because I need it right now. First I need to grind this off. Same thing over here from the bottom and top. Hang it back, see how's it fits, where the grinding needs to be done more, and after that I'll get the hood off of it again and I'm gonna start doing a body work. Also he has some dent repair tool, I was able to pull this damage out of here. Not perfect, but close enough. I got all the creases out. I'm gonna grind this off and apply a slight body filler so it looks nice. Yes, slowly but surely it's coming there. After all this, everything should go a lot, not a lot, but a little bit quicker. But that's something I have to go through. That's something I have to do it. So that needs to be done. Now let's get to the grinding and test fit, see how's everything look. That's it. The hood is prepared for the body filler this side. Now you can see how this corner looks. Looks amazing. Same thing over here. This corner looks beautiful also. And this side also prepared for the body filler. This corner over here, and of course front of the bonnet. So over here I had a little bit bump, but no biggie. I beat it up back and with the sanding should disappear. Now I'm gonna apply a body filler, let it cure, sand it. If needed, we'll apply a second layer, sand it, and then we'll prepare the whole hood for the priming. I need to smooth these edges out, otherwise they're gonna come through, and later, about in half a year, you're gonna see it. So the paint, the clear coat, the paint, and then sealer or the factory primer needs to be sent out layer by layer, so it goes smoothly. Instead of bump, it goes smoothly. And after I'll prime it, after a few months, you're not gonna be able to see those, you know, hard edges. That's I don't know if any of you have saw something like that, but I seen it a lot of times. If you didn't smooth it out, those edges, they will pop through the primer. Anyway, let's apply a body filler and go from there. I'm completely done preparing the hood. Now it's ready to be primed. I'm not gonna cover this hood because I'm gonna be sanding this anyway, so whatever overspray gonna get there, I guess I'm just gonna spend extra time to sand it, because honestly I don't want to cover it. Too lazy. It's getting late on me again. 9:30. No, it's actually, oh okay, it's 15 minutes before 10. So anyway, whatever, you know, it's always like that. This front section is ready also, and this corner over here came out everything nice. I like it. So now what I need to do, I already pre-mixed the primer, it's waiting, activating. So now what I need to do is take this bumper off of this shell, pull this grills out, mask everything that I don't want to be oversprayed, like this area over here, like I showed you guys in the previous episode, and same thing over here. Those headlamp washer holes, I'm gonna mask them off because it's gonna be difficult to paint them. Actually, not to paint them, sorry, I'm too tired. Sand them in order to paint them. Every single day it's getting closer and closer. So let's get this bumper off, wax and grease the bumper and the hood, and let's get to priming. That's it guys, the bumper is taped off, but I don't want the primer to be oversprayed or sprayed. Now what I wanted to do is apply self-etch primer on the open area, and after that we can start shooting primer. Man, primer looking good. Guy code applied. Honestly, without guy code, it was looking like gray paint. Nothing happened to it. Here's the bumper, all primed in. See what I did over here? Yep. Everything looks good on the bumper. Finally. Oh man, finally I'm done with this parts, and they're finally painted. Let's see, what time is it? Man, it's 12:35. I'm tired of those long nights. I thought I'm gonna be done by 6 o'clock. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. Oh well. Sometimes I can do that. I mean, it is body work, and also I want to put out as much content for you guys as possible, but as you can see, those things just just stopping me. I can't move faster, like I was disassembling and the process was going quicker, but it is what it is. I cannot jump over this stage. It needs to be done, so bear with me. Soon we're gonna start moving quicker. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also leave your thoughts down below, and if you haven't subscribed, do so, and make sure you turn that bell notification on so you don't miss anything. And if you can, please share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, they might gonna like it. Also, if you wanna see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. I appreciate your guys' support. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.